Welcome students. Today we are going to learn English grammar. Here module number 4, and in this module we will learn sentence dictation, then vocabulary synonyms, then possessive pronouns in the grammar section, then formal writing, it's informal letter writing, and then creative writing, diary entry, and reading comprehension, passage 1 and passage 2. Okay, so first here we can see sentence dictation. It's a exercise number 1. Okay, now I will read these sentences. You listen carefully and write in your grammar book. Okay, so listen carefully. First sentence is here: English is one of the trickiest languages. I will repeat it. English is one of the trickiest languages. It's the first sentence. And the second is: a lone mouse ran across the field. A lone mouse ran across the field. It's second sentence. And then third is: dictionaries have words in the alphabetical order. I will repeat. Dictionaries have words in the alphabetical order. Now fourth is: kerosene and turpentine are used to clean paint. Kerosene and turpentine are used to clean paint. Next and last sentence here, fifth. She stirred the water gently with her paintbrush. She stirred the water gently with her paintbrush. Okay. Now, I hope you listen it carefully and write on your grammar book. Next here, we can see synonyms. Now tell me, what's the synonym? Synonym means the words that mean the same or nearby the same as another word or a phrase. मतलब दूसरे वर्ड के तरह ही सेम मीनिंग वाला वर्ड जो है उसे सिनोनिम कहा जाता है. सो एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3.1, मैच द वर्ड्स देयर करेक्ट सिनोनिम्स. लुक here is words and then synonyms. So first is wealthy. Wealthy means rich. Then mighty. Mighty means strong. Honest. Its synonym truthful. Intelligent. Its synonym is smart. Respond. Its synonym is answer. Enormous. Its synonym is huge. Okay, these are the synonyms: wealthy, rich; might, strong; honest, truthful; intelligent, smart; respond, answer; and enormous, huge. Okay, these are the synonyms which have same meaning or the nearby meaning. Okay, now here is exercise number 3.2. Write a synonym for each of the words that have been underlined in the sentence. Use a dictionary if required. Now first is done for us here. Our school team won the cricket match with ease, and it's an underlined word. So is a synonym of comfort. Okay. Then second, we can see here the book is amazing. Now amazing here underline word, and the synonym of amazing is excellent. Okay. Then third, the weather in the morning was pleasant. Here the word pleasant underline here, and pleasant means enjoyable. Okay. The fourth sentence, helping people in need is good deed. Is a good deed. Now helping word here underlined, and its synonym is assisting or aiding. Okay. Helping means assisting or aiding. Then fifth, I was eager to go to school the next day. Now here is eager word which is underlined, and its synonym is excited. Eager, excite. Okay. Then sixth word, I am a little afraid to enter that dark room. Afraid. It's an underlined word, and the synonym of this afraid is scared. Okay. These are the synonyms. Amazing, excellent, pleasant, enjoyable, helping, assisting, eager, excited, and then afraid, it's scared. Okay. Now next, look here, read the paragraph given below and underline the pronouns. Identify the types of pronouns. Here, when Anna came into the classroom, she thought to herself, is there a test today? Why did Sheetal not tell me about it? Then Anya sat down next to Vishal and prepared for the test with him. Anya had Vishal's pen. She returned the pen to him. Now here we can see pronouns, and we can see subject pronoun. What is subject pronoun here? SHE, she. Then object pronoun. Okay. What is here? Me, it, him. It's a object pronoun. And then last pronoun we can see here, reflexive. Reflexive pronoun is herself. These are three types of pronouns: subject pronoun, then object pronoun. Here by mistake I write D, but here S. Okay. So second is object and third is reflexive pronoun. Okay. Here we write she as a subject pronoun, then me, it, him as object pronoun, and then herself as a reflexive pronoun. Okay. Now we will see next. Here pronouns are words that take the place of nouns. Which words are used in the place of noun is called pronouns. Nouns की जगह जो words use किए जाते हैं उन्हें pronouns कहा जाता है. And then subject pronouns perform the action in a sentence. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are the subject pronoun. Okay. Example, I am a singer. Who is a singer? I. Okay. It's the action of singing. So I is a subject pronoun. Then the object pronoun receive the action in sentence. Me, us, you, him, her, it, them. These are the object pronoun. Okay. Who received this? who received action. It's a object noun. For example, here, give that cup to me. Me is a object pronoun. Okay, because he's not doing action, he received the action, so it's a object pronoun. Now here next type, reflexive pronoun. Look here, reflexive pronouns are used when we refer to the subject of the sentence again. In other words, these pronouns are used when the object of a sentence is the same as its subject. In a reflexive pronoun, the subject is receiver of the action. Okay, subject is the receiver of action. When reflexive pronouns are used to put emphasis on the subject, they are called emphatic pronouns. Myself, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, themselves, itself, ourselves. These are the reflexive pronoun. Okay. Now look here. Example. Ramesh gifted himself a sweater. Now here is himself is a reflexive pronoun. Then we finished the project by ourselves. Here ourselves is reflexive pronoun. Why? Because subject, receiver of the action. In these sentences, subject, receiver the action. Look here, we, and it's receive the action, so it's a reflexive pronouns. Now here possessive pronouns. Who is it? Whose is it? What is now he? Read the following sentences. Here are some pictures, and in the first picture we can see here, what is here? These books are mine. Then second is, this class is ours. Then third, the dog is his. Fourth, that cycle is hers. Then fifth, the pretty parcel is yours. Okay. And then the house is theirs. Now here are some word is dark. Okay. Here is mine, ours, then his, hers, then yours. These are the possessive pronouns. Okay. They tell us that something belongs to someone. They show belonging. जो एक आध चीज़ होती है वो किसकी है, वो जो दिखाते हैं वो possessive pronouns होते हैं. Okay. Here the books are mine means मेरे. This class is ours मतलब हमारा. Then the dog is his मतलब उसका. It's belonging words. It shows belonging, so it's a possessive pronouns. Okay. Now look here. Here is a chart. The words in a bold are possessive pronouns. Now we can see here charts. Here is a list of subject pronoun and the related possessive pronoun. Look here. First, subject pronoun. Here is I. And the possessive pronoun mine. Then second is we. Possessive pronoun is ours. Fourth is you, and the possessive pronoun is yours. Okay. Now again here next column of subject pronoun he. Possessive pronoun is his. Subject pronoun when it's she, then possessive pronoun is hers. When the subject pronoun is it, then possessive its. And last subject pronoun here they, that time possessive pronoun theirs. Okay. Now we will see next. Here are exercise 4.1. Underline the pronoun in the sentence. write the type of pronoun as well. One is done for you. Look here. First sentence here is she is a good singer. Now she, underline word she, S-H-E, she. It's a subject pronoun. Okay. And the second, Rahul was waiting for me. And underline word is me. What? Me. It's a object pronoun. Then third, the green book is his. His is a possessive pronoun. What? Possessive pronoun. Then I cook her a delicious meal. Her. It's a object pronoun. Okay, it's received the action. Receiver of action. Then fifth, I bought myself a new book. Myself, it's a reflexive pronoun. Okay, herself, myself, yourself, ourselves, themselves, these are the reflexive pronouns. So here myself, reflexive pronoun. And the sixth word, the big dog is theirs. Okay, and theirs, underline word theirs, and it's a possessive pronoun. What here? Possessive pronoun. Okay. Then here exercise number 4.2, fill in the blanks with the type of pronoun. Mention in bracket. One is done for you. Now here the type of pronouns in the bracket. They gave type of pronoun. First here, what is she doing in the park? Okay, now here they underline the word she. It's a subject pronoun. Okay, and their second, the doctor gave medicine to dash dash, and you have to write object pronoun. So what is object pronoun? Him. Okay, so write H-I-M, him. Third sentence is, this pen is dash dash, please return it to them. And here write possessive pronoun. So what is the possessive pronoun? Their. Why it's there? Because here them means this person, more than one. So write theirs. Okay. The fourth sentence, this is your job, Chris. Can you complete it by dash dash? Now you have to write here reflexive pronoun. Look here, reflexive pronoun. Then what is the reflexive pronoun here? Can you complete it by yourself? Okay, here is you. So reflexive pronoun is yourself. Then fifth word, sentence. This is an apple. It is dash dash. Now here is a girl. Okay, so possessive pronoun is hers. H-E-R-S, hers. Then sixth, they hide dash dash inside the castle. And we have to write here reflexive pronoun. Okay, and here is a they, and the reflexive pronoun of they, it's a themselves. Here themselves. Okay, the next here, exercise number 4.3, complete the sentences using possessive pronoun. Mine, yours, ours, his, hers, its, or theirs. Now first is done for us here. This is our house. The house is ours. Okay. Now second is, that is your dog. The dog is yours. It's a possessive pronouns. Now these rabbits belong to her. These rabbits are hers. Fourth is, that is my bus. The bus is mine. Mine is a possessive pronoun of I. Okay. So fifth, those are his toys. Those toys are his. And now sixth is, that car belongs to them. It is theirs. Okay, this is what is here? Possessive pronouns. So today we have learned synonyms, possessive pronouns. Okay, I hope you understood this module 4. And your homework is write informal letter writing, diary entry and reading comprehension workbook page number 46 to 52. I will send it in return. Okay, so thank you. Bye. Take care.